In the quiet village of Willowbend, nestled between rolling hills and whispering pines, there lived an old clockmaker named Master Edwin. His shop was a wonder of whirring gears, ticking hands and gleaming brass. People traveled from far and wide to marvel at his creations, each clock more intricate and enchanting than the last. But Edwin wasn't alone in his craft. By his side was an eager apprentice, a girl named Clara. She had wandered into the village one rainy evening, clutching a battered satchel and a small broken pocket watch. When Edwin saw her wide, curious eyes, he decided to take her in and teach her his trade. Clara was quick to learn. She had a knack for listening to the rhythm of the clocks, as if they whispered secrets only she could hear. Edwin often caught her sketching new designs in the margins of her notebook, her face glowing with ideas. One day, while rummaging through the attic for spare parts, Clara discovered a peculiar clock. It was unlike any she had seen. Its face was blank, and its gears moved erratically, as though searching for a purpose. Intrigued, she brought it to Edwin. The old clockmaker's face turned pale. "That," he said softly, "is the lost clock. It was my first creation, but it never worked properly. Some say it's cursed." Clara wasn't deterred. She spent weeks tinkering with the lost clock, determined to unlock its mystery. She replaced worn gears, polished its brass casing, and even etched a delicate design onto its blank face. But no matter what she did, the clock refused to tick. One night, as the village slept, Clara sat alone in the workshop, staring at the stubborn clock. Frustration threatened to overwhelm her when she noticed a faint engraving on the back. It read, "Time waits for no one, but it listens to the heart." Inspired, Clara thought of her own heart, the dreams she carried, the kindness Edwin had shown her, and the joy she found in the rhythm of clocks. She closed her eyes, placed her hand on the lost clock, and whispered, "I'm ready." A soft hum filled the room. The lost clock began to tick, its hands moving gracefully across the face Clara had restored. Its glow illuminated the workshop, casting dancing shadows on the walls. Edwin rushed in, his eyes wide with astonishment. "Clara, you've done it. You've given it life." From that day forward, the lost clock became the centerpiece of the shop, its gentle ticking a reminder of the magic that lay within time, and within those who dared to listen to their hearts. Clara went on to create clocks of her own, each infused with the same wonder and warmth that had brought the lost clock to life. And so, the little workshop in Willowbend continued to tick, a place where time and dreams intertwined.